house nice and tidy for my family. I love them so much. Ooh, dinner's ready. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. I worked all day trying to prepare this dinner for my family. Hope they love the waffles I made them. Hope my husband loves it. Bradke and Mitchie ready for dinner. Your dad's gonna be home soon. Oh, love you, babe. We're gonna have a good dinner. Dad! Let's go. Get off the Xbox. No! Get off the Xbox! Stop! Come on. Let's go. Bathroom now. Oh, it smells so. Dad's gonna be home any minute now.
I want to play Xbox.
Too bad. You played Xbox all day.
No, I want to play Xbox.
No, you're already Prestige Master. Let's go. Oh, it looks so good! Take your seat, kids. Dad's gonna be home soon, okay? Guys, I think your dad's home.
Dad's home, I'm hungry!
Hi, honey, how was your day? Hi, Dad!
What's up, Brad? How are you today?
Hi.
What's up, honey? How are
How's
you?
it going?
Great!
Oh, great food on the table.
I can't wait to eat.
I
Yeah!
can't wait.
Do you like the waffles I made you, honey?
Oh, they look great.
Where's the syrup?
Shut the fuck up.
Nikki, don't talk. We must pray before we eat.
Praise
Frigo.
Amen.
Amen.
So, honey, how was your day at work today? Doing carpenter stuff.
It was great. We made the frame for the house down the street. It was great. We might have some neighbors soon.
I need
hope
someone
so.
to cut my waffle.
Brad,
it's
cut-
not time to eat yet.
Oh.
How was your day at school?
Hold on.
I learned multiplication.
Multiplication, that's my favorite kind of math. How was your day, Brett?
It was good. Just did some statistics and learned social issues now. My new teacher.
Oh,
Fun. I like
Fun?
it.
Any homework?
We just have to make a video about family structures. So I thought maybe I could pick some of my friends and we can do it together.
That sounds great, honey. I hope you guys do very good on it.
Thank
I
you.
hope you get an A, kiddo.
Thanks.
Okay, time to eat, kids?
Cut my food.
All right.
Honey, the food was great. Kids, don't you think too?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. I worked really hard on it
Super
today.
good.
Can you grab me the paper, please?
I will, honey. What's it about?
Oh, 10 questions with Brett Hooduk.
Oh, I hear he's really good at soccer.
He's mediocre.
Well, I think it's time to clean up, guys. I'll grab your plates.
Are we dismissed now?
Yes, kids.
Let's go play Xbox.
Oh, God! I fell.
What'd you think about dinner tonight?
It was okay, you know. I wish we had syrup.
Yeah. I think we go to the movies later. I don't know yet. You want to come?
No, you're lame.
But why?
How did I just die?
But why don't you just want to hang out with me ever? You're my little brother. You should look up to me.
No offense, you kind of smell.
I thought I was your role model.
Sometimes, but not right now. Can you just leave me alone? I'm playing Call of Duty.
I'd be glad to. I'll remember this, by the way.
I just won this.
I'll remember.
I
You
won.
get older
I won by the
and
way.
you're getting bullied because you're fat, I'll never back you up, okay?
I hope Brett gets a really good grade on his project.
Yeah, I heard he's doing with Ryan, Mitch, and Mike. Good kids. Good kids.
Great kids overall.